Howdy folks, someone just asked me if I could show them the natural gas chart at my broker at BlackBull. So the video I did this morning, and by the way, the editing wasn't great, but we have a new team member, so please bear with me while we learn the ropes. So this one I'm editing myself. But someone asked about the BlackBull chart, so let's have a look at this. This is my broker at BlackBull. There's a link below if you want to trade at BlackBull markets. And we're approaching the support zone. I covered it in the previous video, but I wanted to show you on this chart, not the Henry Hub chart. There's the support zone that we're entering right now. You can't see the rollover on here because it's a different type of chart, but there's the sort of rollover gap. And we're just coming back in after the weekend rollover, a little bit down. So I just wanted to show you on this particular chart where these two levels are, between 2.71 and 2.65-ish. If you look at this on the Henry Hub, you'll notice that that's the top and the bottom. So the top of the yellow zone is the top of the gap, and the bottom of the yellow zone is the bottom of the gap. It's also where the 20-period moving average is. So it's nicely drawn on this chart, and also there's the 2.5 level, which if you look at the previous video, I'll link that at the end of this one, you'll see why that's a super important level. It's also got a market structure break line drawn here by the MSB OB indicator here at TradingView. I've only got about 30% of my desired position now after having taken profit of around about the tops. And so now I'm looking to add back on some of that size, and these are the two zones I'm looking at. We don't have a 4-hour reversal candle just yet. Let's switch this to the 4-hour chart so you can see this more clearly. And there again, you can see the bottom of the swing, that's the top of the gap, the bottom of the gap. It's also the 100-period moving average on this 4-hour chart. So maybe we'll turn around in here. We don't have a reversal, no indication that we've found support here just yet. If we don't, we should move down to 2.5 or maybe just above there, and then we'll be watching there too. If we do form a reversal here, I'll probably add on a little tranche extra long position, and then particularly if we get down to 2.5, I'll add on a bit more there too. $2.50 is the zone that looks most interesting. Back to the daily chart, and you can see we're just falling into that zone there, still holding that support. So maybe this is the bottom. I don't think so. I think we'll be too tempted to test down into at least that 20-period moving average on the day chart. So there we go, folks. I think that was an easier summary for those of you who are trading at BlackBull. And if you want to see what's going on the Henry Hub, you can have a look at the previous video, which is linked at the end of this one. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.